Body language plays a crucial role in how we communicate with others, often sending messages that are just as powerful as our words. However, there are many misconceptions and myths surrounding the interpretation of body language that can have a significant impact on our interactions with others. In this video, we will debunk 5 common body language myths that may be holding you back from effectively communicating and connecting with those around you. By understanding the truth behind these myths, you can become more aware of your own body language and improve your ability to read the signals of others. Whether you are in a professional setting, social setting, or personal relationship, mastering the art of body language can be a game changer in how you present yourself and understand those around you. So, if you're ready to take your communication skills to the next level, keep watching as we shed light on the truth behind these common misconceptions. Let's bust these myths and empower you to become a more effective communicator through the power of body language. When it comes to body language, there is a common misconception that crossing your arms signifies defensiveness or closed-off behavior. However, in reality, this gesture may simply indicate that you are feeling cold or comfortable. It's important to consider the context and individual preferences when interpreting someone's body language. People often cross their arms as a way to feel more secure or maintain personal space, rather than as a defensive stance. So, don't be quick to judge someone based on the position of their arms. There might be a completely different reason behind it. Another misconception in understanding body language is that eye contact is crucial for effective communication. While maintaining eye contact can convey attention and engagement, it is not the only indicator of interest or sincerity. Some individuals may find direct eye contact uncomfortable due to cultural differences, personal preferences, or social anxiety. Additionally, certain neurological conditions, such as autism spectrum disorder, may make sustained eye contact challenging for some people. Therefore, it's essential to consider a range of factors when interpreting nonverbal cues during interactions. Remember, effective communication is about more than just making eye contact. It also involves active listening, empathy, and adaptability to the needs of others. When observing someone crossing their legs, it's important to recognize that this gesture isn't always a defensive posture. While crossing legs can sometimes indicate unease or discomfort, it can also simply be a matter of comfort or habit. People may cross their legs to alleviate pressure on the lower back, adjust their seating position, or simply out of preference for sitting in a certain way. Additionally, cultural norms and personal habits can influence how individuals choose to position their legs while seated. Therefore, it's crucial not to jump to conclusions about someone's emotional state or mindset based solely on the position of their legs. Remember to consider the context, individual differences, and other nonverbal cues when interpreting body language signals. Leaning forward isn't always a positive indicator in body language. While leaning in can often be associated with interest, engagement, or attentiveness, it's essential to understand that this gesture can vary in meaning depending on the context and individual. For instance, someone may lean forward out of intense focus, curiosity, or a desire to connect with the speaker. However, it's also possible that leaning forward could indicate aggression, dominance, or a sense of intrusion into personal space. In certain situations, leaning forward excessively or invading someone's personal space can make them feel uncomfortable or threatened, leading to miscommunication or a breakdown in rapport. Therefore, it's crucial to consider the specific circumstances, relationship dynamics, and accompanying nonverbal cues when interpreting the meaning behind leaning forward in body language. While a firm handshake is often touted as a key component of making a strong first impression, it's essential to recognize that your handshake isn't everything. While a solid handshake can convey confidence, professionalism, and assertiveness, it's only a small piece of the larger puzzle of body language. Other nonverbal cues, such as eye contact, facial expressions, posture, and gestures, also play a significant role in how others perceive you and interpret your communication. Therefore, focusing solely on perfecting your handshake may lead you to overlook the importance of maintaining consistent and positive body language across different contexts and interactions. Remember that a handshake is just one aspect of your nonverbal communication repertoire and should be complemented by other gestures to convey a well-rounded and authentic image. The biggest misconception people have about body language is that it is always easy to interpret accurately. While some gestures and expressions may be universal, others can be influenced by cultural or personal factors. It is important to consider context and individual differences when interpreting body language, as what may seem obvious to you may have a different meaning to someone else. So, be cautious and make sure to look at the bigger picture before jumping to conclusions based solely on body language cues. In conclusion, debunking these body language myths allows you to navigate social interactions more effectively. Understanding the nuances of body language can help you communicate more clearly and interpret others' gestures accurately. Remember, body language is a complex form of nonverbal communication that goes beyond simple stereotypes. By being aware of these myths and paying attention to the subtle cues people give off, you can enhance your interpersonal skills and build stronger connections with those around you. Keep observing, learning, and adapting your understanding of body language to become a more effective communicator in various situations.